Hello and welcome students, myself Kumar Saurabh. Today I am present in front of you with yet another daily practice sheet. So basically, of course, you know that whatever we are going to do today. So first of all, we are going to understand the passage that we have at hand, and then in the later part, we are going to solve the set of questions which are there. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. All right. So the passage goes like this. Today, when Christian churches are fairly marginal to the national life, an effort of historical imagination is needed to grasp how total the English Reformation was. The medieval church was the principal agency not only for the worship of God but for education, scholarship, welfare, healthcare, and a large part of legal system. So basically, इन इंट्रोडक्टरी लाइन से आपको ये बताने की कोशिश हो रही है कि क्रिश्चियन चर्चेस जो थे उसका कंट्रीब्यूशन किस लेवल का था, किस किस सेक्टर में था और कितना कितना था. तो सारे के सारे सेक्टर्स यहाँ पे मेंशन कर दिए गए. देयर वाज एजुकेशन, स्कॉलरशिप, वेलफेयर, हेल्थ केयर एंड अ लार्ज पार्ट ऑफ लीगल सिस्टम एज वेल. इट वाज आल्सो द मीडियम ऑफ most of the neighborhood and professional organizations, and by far the most significant patron of music, art and architecture. तो हर एक तरीके का फील्ड यहाँ पे इंक्लूडेड है और हर एक जगह पे कोई ना कोई कंट्रीब्यूशन भी है. Restructuring this vast organization, then by stripping it of much of its wealth, revising its central doctrines and subordinating it to the nation state affected literally everything. तो उसके बाद क्या किया गया? रिस्ट्रक्चर कर दिया गया पूरे के पूरे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को. चर्चेस की हम लोग यहाँ पे बात कर रहे हैं, है ना. उनका जो ज्यादातर जो वेल्थ था, जो पैसे थे, जितना भी प्रॉपर्टीज थी, सबको हटा लिया गया, ले लिया गया उनसे. सेंट्रल डॉक्ट्रिन्स को बदल दिया गया और चर्चेस को नेशन स्टेट के सबऑर्डिनेट बना दिया गया. तो इससे सारी की सारी चीजों पे अफेक्ट पड़ा. नो सिग्निफिकेंट एक्टिविटी वाज अनटच्ड, certainly not doing plays. Moreover, the effects of reformation were far too complex to be controlled by the intentions of the reformers. Nobody could know how it would turn out. तो ये जो टोटल इंग्लिश रिफॉर्मेशन ऑफ चर्चेस की बात यहाँ पे की गई, सबसे पहले ये बताया गया कि चर्चेस अपने में काफी पावरफुल हुआ करते थे. देन हर एक सेक्टर में इनका कंट्रीब्यूशन था. हर एक मतलब आप यू नेम इट दे हैड इट, ऐसा सीन था. उसके बाद क्या किया गया? इनको रेगुलेट कर दिया गया, सबऑर्डिनेट कर दिया गया. सारी प्रॉपर्टी, सारी वेल्थ ले ली गई इनसे. तो इससे कि सारे का इससे सारा का सारा जो चीज था वो चेंज हो गया, ऑल्टर हो गया. So, based on all of this, let's start solving some questions. The first question is, which of the following is the primary assumption of the above argument? Primary assumption of the above argument. Primary assumption यहाँ पे क्या होना चाहिए? यहाँ पे 4 options हैं आपके पास. I'll have to see. A. If a principal agency goes through an upheaval, almost all related significant activities are affected. Of course, A is the right answer here. Exact same thing is being talked about in the passage in terms of the Christian churches. Next question. Which of the following can be concluded from the passage? Can be concluded from the passage. Here, the right answer is going to be, I think, C. Plays were considered to be significant during the time period under discussion. Significant था तभी तो बातें बोली गई यहाँ पे, उस रिलेशन में वो बात बोली गई थी. और कोई ऑप्शन यहाँ हो सकता है क्या? लेट्स सी. द चर्चेस हैड डिक्टेटोरियल पावर. नहीं, ऐसा कुछ हम लोग कंक्लूड नहीं कर पाएंगे. बी. द इंग्लिश रिफॉर्मेशन वाज अ कंट्रोल्ड and restraint process. Again, it is also not true because all the wealth and everything, all the power of the church was taken. And D, the church controlled the entire legal system during the time period discussed in the passage. Again, ये जो word यहाँ पे use कर दिया गया ना, entire, it is problematic. I think C is the right answer, but then At the same time, I also understand that it is very vague. It is not a very strong option, but as you saw, all the other options can be eliminated. So we'll have to agree that C is the right answer. So let's move on to the next question. Third, which of the following is the author least likely to agree with? Least likely to agree with. Least like, of course, it is going to be option D. Option D says Christian church still holds an unjustified control over citizens' life. So it is not true. And it is something which the author is least likely to agree with. मानेगा ही नहीं author क्योंकि इसके सारे contrary points बोले हैं author ने passage में. So, question number 4. Which of the following, if true, weakens the author's primary argument? Weakens the author's primary argument. Here, the right answer is going to be B, I think. Yes. Some of the significant social constructs such as the feudal system remained the same even after the English Reformation. B is the correct answer. If this is true, then it is going to weaken the argument which the author tried to give us in the passage. Last question. Which of the following can be conclusively inferred from the passage? Conclusively inferred from the passage. The right answer here is going to be D. Education, scholarship and welfare were all considered significant activities in pre-Reformation era. And because the English churches had their contribution and some sort of control in all of this, so that is what was being said in the passage. So I hope you guys understood everything which we discussed in the passage and all the questions that we solved. I have given all the explanation as well. So keep on watching our videos on CLAT Gurukul's official channel, and I'll see you next time. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching the video.